In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn passive income, the easiest way to make $100 per day worldwide. And this is the best way to make money online as a passive income method. So if you watch that video until then, this is my bank account. You can see here, this is a commission I received today. It's not $100, but again, it's worth it. It will add up in the future. In this video, I'm going to show you the three websites. The first website which is going to pay you money. The second website is your Medium, where you're going to post your content. The third website where you're going to get your free traffic. So watch that video until the end for the entire process. I want to keep it simple and short, so watch the video until the end. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, don't forget to like our video. If you want to win £10 PayPal money, free PayPal money, watch the video until then how you can earn that money today. So the first website which is going to pay you money is called Amazon Associates. Again, Amazon affiliate program. Don't just think about it, it won't work. You can earn lots of money from that. The way I'm going to show you that the method I'm going to show you can set it up and it will give you the passive income in the future. So watch that video carefully how you can set it up. Now I'm living in the UK, so it's showing UK logo here. You can, from different part of the country, you can register for that. If Amazon is not available, you can go with Amazon.com. Basically sign up and recommend earn, and they say that you can earn up to 12% commission from that, but actually this is not true. Whenever you promote the item you want, different items have a different commission rate for the different countries, so you have to think about that. Different item has a different commission rate. Again, that commission rate will differ for each country. So in this video, I'm going to show you the method which item I want to promote, and I'm going to show you why I want to promote that item. You can see here the Amazon fashion for the UK. Amazon fashion and clothing, that going to pay you around 11 to 12% commission for that. But if you promote gadgets and computers, that you're gonna get only 3% commissions. And if you promote like hobbies and toys, you're gonna get 6% commission, and the books and everything gonna get 5% commission. Now in this video, I'm going to go with handmade items, going to give you 10% commission. So handmade is similar to the Etsy, but they have Amazon have their own version where you can promote handmade item, but you can get 10% commission. So imagine that you promote a gadget or computer parts or something like that for $10, you can only get 3% commission, which is 30 cents. But again, you promote a handmade item, which is again $10, but you're gonna make $1.10, so $1.1, which is 4 times better than the promoting computer or gadget item. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I find the items and how I build a Medium page. And Medium is not a website. Medium, which means you can post the contents for free, and how you can get free traffic. All the website I will show you in this video is free to use, work worldwide, so you don't have to pay for anything. So far, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, so it will promote us to make content like this every single day. So don't forget to click that thumbs up button on the bottom of the video. First, what you have to do, go to Amazon here and join for free. You will require only 2 to 3 minutes to register account, and you most of the time you get approved instantly. After that, you get your Amazon affiliate ID, where you can get the links and everything. First, what you have to do, go to Amazon.com or .uk and find the item that you want to promote. In this case, I'm going with handles in under handmade section here. So Amazon has its own handmade section inside the Amazon website, so you can go with a different section here, but I want to go with candle because these handmade products are selling well, and the handles are best thing to promote other than perfumes and everything. So I'm going with handles. You can see these candles are more expensive than the standard candles that you can buy for $2 to $3, but these ones are $20 to $30. The reason is they are scented and handmade items, so you can get a larger commission from that. So now what you do, you basically understand the process. You join with Amazon affiliate and you find the item that you want to promote. So in this case, I want to promote handles, so I click open one of that. Just leave that open, and what you have to do now, you have to go to bookmark.com, where you can build a simple landing page where you're going to add your own affiliate item, not building website. Okay, you can add your affiliate product on the landing page where you're going to promote and earn money from it. So I already made a bookmark videos in the first. I put the card here, so the full tutorial you just go and watch that is in the top of the video. So click that, it will take to the video where you can learn how to build a bookmark website, or put the link in the description, go and learn from that. Now what you have to do, click this one called create a website and start now, and it will take to this page where you can, most of the time they have a template. If they don't worry. So I'm building affiliate product, right? And so I go niche affiliate website. At the moment their template is not good with affiliate marketing, but no problem, you can edit it in the future. So I'm calling handle UK because I'm targeting handmade candle, but also targeting UK customer. That's why I'm calling that. So you can create click either one of those, but I don't want the e-commerce store. If you click that, it will add a shopping cart and account. That's too complicate everything. So just no and click next, and you can click this one next. You don't have any company detail, it's a single page website, and click next. After that, select the template image you want. Don't worry, you can change it later. After that, click fresh or bright, what style you want. I go with, because of the handle, I want to go with the fresh here, and create a new website. Leave it that for 30 seconds. The AI is going to build your affiliate website for free. Then you can, I'm going to show you how you can add item, how you can promote it for free and earn money from it. Now you can see your website is ready. Click coded. Now you see it's a completely different website, but we don't want to look like this. What you have to do now, just click edit website and delete the section that you don't want. So what you have to do, click this edit menu here and delete all the sections that you don't want. So I go here and delete the whole section. I don't want that, I don't want this, I don't want that, and click OK. Then edit all of the sections that you want. So I'll fast forward the video and I show you the end. You can see here everything is deleted, only the footer is there. I can delete that footer later. Now what you have to do, click this one called add focus, and here they have an e-commerce store, but don't do that because it's too overcomplicate everything. What you have to do here, you have to code section called about here, and you can select the template, which I'm going to show you. It's going to speed up your entire process, and you can select this one called about us, right? And click that and click go back here, and that's it. You can see you've done this part here. What you have to do now, leave this section here, go back to amazon.com. you want to promote this product, right? So what you have to do, just click this one image and click save image to your computer. After that, what you have to do here, go back to your website here and click the image that you want to promote, this image section here. So you want to change. Then what you have to do here, add new file and select it from your computer. Okay, what you have to do now, select the image that you downloaded now before, select that image and it will open up here within a second. After that, what you have to do, you have to double click that image and it will automatically add it here. Now what you have to do, click this section, we don't want that, delete that. And what you have to do now, for the about, you copy the title here and paste it here. Then go back, copy the basic description here, copy that. Again, just a copy and paste method, guys. You copy and paste and you're going to build a passive income method from that. Now we'll click this button here, and for here, for the text, I don't put the price normally because when people see the price, they don't click the link. So basically what I put is buy now on Amazon. I'm going to tell you why you have to do that. So then after you save this button, I want you to click this button called link, and you can add the link. You have to go back to Amazon here. When you sign into your affiliate account, this will automatically add to your general Amazon website. It's called Amazon Associate Site Stripe, which is going to give you the affiliate link easily, so you don't have to sign in every single time. Just copy the link and go to your website and put the link here, open in new window, and I don't recommend switching to follow that, so I don't unlink that. Click save And that's it, guys. If you preview that website, click save and continue, and you can see the website is ready. So why I didn't put the price? The reason is when the people click your link and come to your store and see the product here and see the price, they don't click the link here. So what you have to do, buy now on Amazon, you have to put that. When people click that, it will take to this page where you can see the price. Even though they don't buy this product, there's cookies added to their web browser. Okay, the cookie is going to last for 90 days. So when these buyers go back to Amazon, say 1 week later or 10 days later, to buy a different thing, you're going to get commission for that. For example, they come here, they didn't buy this one, but they go back and then come back here, they buy a jacket that worth a $20, and you're gonna get 11% commission for that because the cookie is already added their web process. This is how the Amazon associate work. I believe this is how that work. Now what you do, this is the website I already built before this video. You can see it's simple. It's a handed website. So what you can do now here, if you go back to edit section, you don't have to build a blocking system, something like that. So you can see you build a one product right here. So what you have to do now, click this one, click the home section, edit menu here under the focus about, you add another about page here. So go back and another add similar focus or similar about section page under the product. Again, change that to different candle image or the product that you want. So one page website where you're going to add multiple products on the same category, not different products. If you are promoting candles, add a different candles on a single page to build a single page website which contain more than 20 to 30 products there. So easily customer can follow the page and click the candle they want, then go to Amazon and buy that product. Now how you can get the traffic? Again, I show the Bookmark free version. So you can build a website, you can publish a website, and you can promote it for yourself to make money. Otherwise you don't get a organic traffic because you are using a free versions. And also if you have to publish the site before to see Amazon is redirecting your link, otherwise it won't work. So under preview section, that link direction won't work. So you have to publish the site. After that, if you click this link, and you can see it will automatically publish that your website. So if I go back here and click, now you see my site is published here. So if I click this button here, and automatically redirect to amazon.co.uk for that product page so that people can buy it. Now how you can get the free traffic to your the landing page or the product page, where you can use a Instagram. See, this is another Instagram page. They have a 513 post only about the candles, and you can see how much followers they have. 62,000 followers, guys. 62,000 followers. If I go back here and search for candles here, you can see all different pages people are making content about candles. So you can see Yangi candles here, 280,000 followers, guys. Only 490, nearly 500 followers they get have or 286,000 followers, guys. They have own website to promote their candles, but you can put your own candles. So you can see Halloween is coming up. You can promote a Halloween candle, handmade Halloween candle from Amazon here, and you can get free traffic to your web landing page where you can earn money. Now this is a passive income. Again, it will take time and you need to set it up. You need to add contents. It won't happen easily, and you have to build your Instagram page here. By building Instagram page, you can promote Amazon affiliate product, and you can promote other, you can do shout out and everything. But again, this is the best way to make passive income. It won't replace a 9-to-5 job, but you can build a side income if you do that. So all the method I showed you is free. All the software I showed you here, or the website I showed you is free. Just go ahead and create an Instagram page and wait for it. Just consistency is a key, guys. Upload content every single day, put relevant hashtags, tag relevant peoples, comment on others page in order to get traffic to yours. And by doing that, you can build an Instagram page. From that, you can drive traffic to your landing page, where you can then again drive traffic to your website, Amazon, and you can earn commission for that. Whenever people buy other things, you can earn commission for that too. So this is a big market where you can earn lots of money, but again, it requires time to set it up, and you have to be patient, guys. Thanks guys for watching. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, like this video. Important part is like this video and leave a comment. I like this video, and when this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video guys.